is Zill Star. In this tutorial, we are going to play a delicious little game together. It is a zill call and response. I'm going to come up with an idea. I'm going to call it for 4 counts. I'm going to play you a riff. You're going to respond. You have the option of responding with exactly what I played, which is a good place to start, or using what I played as like a jumping off place for your own creativity.
My name is Sahira, and I'm here to teach you the beautiful art of belly dance.
This fun little game is going to increase your zill confidence and creativity by forcing you to kind of think on the fly, making you feel a little bit more comfortable about making stuff up on your zills in the moment, and giving you some more creative ideas to incorporate into your own play. So go ahead and grab your favorite set of finger cymbals and let's dive in. All right, I'm thinking of this as like a more advanced level call and response. So we're going to be using lots of sounds. I'll be using basics, clacks, ticks, rings, maybe some cross-handed stuff. You are welcome to use those. You can do a single tone, or you can change the sounds and make it more your own. I'm also going to mark time with my body the whole time. Number one, this kind of just helps me always connect my finger cymbals to the beat, which is really useful when we try to dance with the cymbals later on. And then also when I am waiting for 4 counts and you are playing your fabulous riff, yeah, this allows you to see the tempo and allows me to come in at the right time. Yeah? Makes sense? Let's do it. All right, I'm getting this tempo going. We'll go about this fast. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll start first. Here we go. You. I'll do it again. Nice. Awesome. One more time. Let's try this. Yes! Nice job. How did that go, Zill Star? I'm pretty certain it sounded amazing. I could almost hear you. I really could almost hear you, and it was awesome. What I want you to gain from this is the knowledge that when it comes to playing your finger cymbals, whether it's a cappella like this or with a song, there's really a lot of room for creativity. When it's with music, we always want to listen to the music to use that as something that inspires our playing, but really there are very few rules. And so don't feel like you have to stick to the gallops and the melodies and the things that we so often are taught in belly dance class. If you are the kind of Zill Star who wants to create your own a cappella zill riffs and be able to play spontaneously and creatively on the fly, you're going to love my a cappella finger cymbal foundations course. This will give you a solid foundation for understanding the elements of the zills that we use when we create rhythms and riffs all on our own. You can find that at sahirabellydances.com/acapella. And now that you're all warmed up and ready to go, you can join me for another tutorial where we'll take it to the next level and play the music as we dance, yeah? See you on the dance floor soon.